peoples who gather here on regards on dated 21st November. Incident took place. That is by the Surakcha Manch and the music congregation called the strike on the date 21st November. On the occasions, on the strike, one of our brothers named Bishanji Devruma, a fireman, was severely injured and beaten and finally dead on the spot. And for that reasons, we entire Kumung divisions, the people's entire villagers and all the students, all the women and youths gather here for giving a condolences as well as seek for him as justice to those criminals should be punished and should be given as the law have given by the government, and we demand for his finally hand to be killed. And we also request to the government for giving the compensation to our brother Bishanji Devruma families, and also give their family at least one job for the household stock and for their economical growth. As well as I would like to invite all my Tiprasa peoples on these occasions. We want to give the message of love and condolence for the Bishanji family. May his soul rest in peace, and we will seek and tears till we get the justice for our brothers Bishanji Devruma. Okay.